Lucas and Marcus come to meet Cyrus because Cyrus has something to tell them, and Cyrus wants to tell Lucas and Marcus about Darius' scary acting. And Cyrus also tells Lucas and Marcus about the last incident in which Darius bit Cyrus on the hand, and Lucas and Marcus are surprised to hear about Darius from Cyrus. And Cyrus has called Lucas and Marcus so that they can all face Darius together, and Darius cannot harm anyone. And Cyrus tells Lucas and Marcus the whole story of Darius, which Darius has been trying to harm everyone for many months. Then Cyrus, Lucas and Marcus go inside the house to meet Darius, and Darius is not seeing them at home, and Cyrus move towards Darius' room, and they see that the colors of the house lights are also changing, and Lucas and Marcus are very surprised by this. Then when Cyrus opens the door to Darius' room, Cyrus gets scared. Then they all go into the room and Darius is sleeping on the bed. Then Darius is surprised to find everyone in the room, and Cyrus tries to talk to Darius, but Darius is talking perfectly well. Then Cyrus, Lucas and Marcus leave Darius in the room and goes outside. Lucas and Marcus also find something different in Darius. Then Cyrus, Lucas and Marcus are waiting for Darius to come out. Lucas and Marcus are also worried that Darius will be possessed by evil again. And then Darius comes out of the room and Cyrus starts asking Darius about the evil twins act. And while Darius does not remember what Cyrus is saying, and Darius does not even remember that Darius bit Cyrus' hand, and Cyrus again feels that Darius is lying and trying to mess with us, and Darius acts as if Darius did not do anything. And then Lucas and Marcus also ask Darius about the evil twins, and Darius explains himself perfectly, and Darius is wondering what evil twins everyone is talking about, and Darius is acting completely polite, and Cyrus, Lucas and Marcus do not understand what is happening to Darius. And then when Cyrus starts hugging Darius, Darius gets angry again, and Darius acting becomes evil again, and Darius' voice also starts changing, and Darius starts moving towards his room, and Lucas and Marcus see that Darius is not able to control himself, and Marcus feels that it will be better to leave Darius alone. And then Cyrus, Marcus and Lucas are leaving the house, leaving Darius alone, and Lucas and Marcus are also shocked and worried. And then they see that Darius is again possessed by evil inside the house, and Cyrus decides that Cyrus cannot stay with Darius in this state.